This is a photocell. Photocell with a receptacle. It is a device or a sensor. When the photocell is exposed to light, the photo eye of this photocell will turn off the internal switch and cuts the electricity or power between the black hot wire and the red wire to the load or the line of your light. The white wire requires to power the internal switch. The white wire is the neutral wire connected to the power source or line 2 and also connected to the line 2 of your load. The black wire is the hot wire. It is connected to the power source or your supply, line 1, and the red wire is connected to the line 1 of your load. When darkness is sensed by the photo eye of this photocell, the internal switch of this photocell will turn on and the electricity or the power will flow to the load or to this light through the red wire of this photocell. If you want to remove the photocell from the receptacle, just turn the photocell counterclockwise and then full. And then if you want it back, just push it and turn it clockwise to lock. Okay. First of all, when you do an electrical work, you have to think safe. Always think safe. This is our supply. This is line 1 and this is line 2. Line 1 is the hot wire and the line 2 is the neutral. First, you have to connect the neutral wire to the neutral of your photocell, the white wire. And then white wire of your photocell to the line 2 of your load. And then your line 1 to the black wire of your photocell. And then the red wire of your photocell to the line 1 of your load. then it's done. Then cover your photo cell